Hey there guys, my name is Georgia, welcome to the Lazzzy Student. Today I'm going to be doing a video all about the top 5 things you need to be doing before you head off to university this September. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe because I make new student videos every single Friday, and just keep on watching. Learn how to do your own laundry. This is going to be super important for when you get to university because all of those stinky clothes must be washed. Now I can do a whole video dedicated to how to do your laundry, but for now I've got 2 main top tips. Number 1, don't mix your light colours and your dark colours. And secondly, when you are doing your washing, not all of it may go on at the same temperature. So make sure you are taking your clothes, checking the label on them. I honestly think there must be about 40 different laundry symbols, but I have gotten by basically with just 2, which is the temperature and whether or not it can be tumble dried. So if you learn these symbols, you are going to be absolutely fine. And that's basically all you need to know to be able to wash your clothes. If you'd like a dedicated video, please leave in the comments down below and I can show you all about what laundry detergent I use, etc., what settings to put it on, and a bit more in depth about doing your laundry. But for now, happy laundry day! Make sure that you learn how to clean your space. This is going to be so important for your time not only at university but going into adulthood. Keeping your space clean has so many benefits, including mental benefits from having a nice clean space and also staying away from nasty colds, viruses, etc. So you always want to make sure that you have some antibacterial spray. I literally picked this one up from Lidl for less than £1, and also some microfiber cloths. Now I recommend microfiber just because you can put them in the wash as well as your dish rags, and you can keep reusing and reusing them, but honestly it's up to you which kind of cloth you get. But I'm sure you all know how to clean and I can do a whole clean with me video, but for now make sure that you have stocked up on some antibac spray as well as cloths. Now, when you go to university, it is important to open up a student bank account. Now, some of you may already have a bank account, but there can be some benefits as to opening up a student-specific bank account. Now, having a student bank account is going to keep you accountable with your student loan and the rest of your money from potentially having little side hustles or jobs. Make sure you check out that video on budgeting up below, and it is full of some great tips and tricks as to how to look after your money at university, which is super important because we all want to be financially responsible. Make sure when you're heading to university that you pack the essentials. Now I'm not saying you're going to fit everything into one suitcase, but just make sure that you are packing enough for the size of your student accommodation. So make sure that you bring a variety of different clothes in your suitcase. Make sure you also bring some things from home, such as pictures or your little favourite plant or your little favourite cuddly toy. That's exactly what I brought. I'll try and find a picture here of me on my first day going to university halls when I had packed. Make sure you also bring some stationery with you. Now you might recognise this as the giveaway I'm doing. Check out the link in the description below. But make sure you're bringing the relevant stationery, books, jotters, etc. to university so that you are starting your year off right. Also make sure that you are buying yourself something like a diary and a calendar for the wall, just to make sure that you are really organised. Check out this video on how to stay organised at university so that you start off your undergraduate degree this year, your second year, whatnot, completely right and ready, raring to go. Now, when packing for university, there are a couple of essentials that you do need to take when you go. About 5 of my flatmates and I took things like kettles and kitchen utensils. We took all of that to university. Now the thing is if everybody takes all of that, your kitchen is generally really quite a small space, and it means that you will have 8 sets of cutleries, 8 kettles, 8 microwaves, 8 everything. So make sure, especially with kitchenware, that you all get in a group chat before university to discuss who is bringing what, or you just make sure that the day you get there you all discuss how full your kitchen is, how much space you all have, and whether there's something you all would like to chip in for. Now during my undergraduate course at university, when I was in halls, we all decided that every single month we would all chip in about £1 or something, just so that we always had a little pot for things like fairy liquid and buying sponges. Now this is something that is up to you guys I literally just dropped that all over my floor. This is something that is up to you and your flat as to how you are delegating tasks, etc., and delegating who buys what. But generally university kitchens are quite well equipped with things like a kettle, a microwave, etc., and you find that you don't have a lot of room, so just make sure you are not bringing everything and loads of stuff when you all could share. Make sure at university you are learning how to cook for yourself. By the way, getting a slow cooker is definitely something I recommend, but you can hear all about that in my video on slow cooking chicken. I got that eventually, didn't I? Of slow cooking chicken, which I will leave either in the cards up here or in the description down below. And that is just an introduction into making yourself something other than pasta and cheese or toast at university. So yeah, learn to cook. I can do a full series. I was actually thinking of doing a full series on this, so please let me know whether that's something you're interested in. I really love notebooks like this with affirmations on them. Like, make it happen. Make sure that you are being organized. Make sure you are getting your paperwork in for your student accommodation, for your student loan. Make sure that you are looking at the relevant things and filling in the relevant forms. Getting organized now and learning organization now will help you down the road when you start your degree, during your degree, and when you finish your degree and go on and flourish into the world. Being organized is so important, so please make sure you're starting now. You can check out this video on being organized if that is something you really need to brush up on. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you would like a specific laundry video or a video about anything else, please just leave it in the comments down below. Please subscribe for more student content every single Friday. Yes. So thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you next Friday in the next one. Bye!